I have friends who died doing this. Sometimes when I hear the critics say we should not do it because people get killed, I know that that is a good argument. I know. There is a spirit that tells me we have to do it because nobody else will.
President Rodrigo Duterte releases the controversial list of politicians allegedly involved in illegal drugs.
Nieves Cabonyalda Rosento, Mayor of El Nido. I will kill you? Yes.
Nakakalungkot po. Sino pa po ang lalaban sa El Nido kung lahat po tayo'y matatakot? Kaya nga po, kahit buhay po namin itinubuhis po namin sa bayang ito.
We have to stop the destruction. One forest at a time. One coral reef at a time.
Ayan, yan, oh, positibo!
Ito po yung kakunjak maalis na palpito.
We have to stop these politicians. The last frontier is becoming the lost frontier.